Hi, today we are going to visit a tourist destination in Singapore, called Bukit Timah Railway Station. The building here have been restored and repurposed, and the entrance beautified with different plants and flowers. First we will go up to the rail corridor using the stairs in front of the signage, and this is a good access to be there. And this is the road to Bukit Timah Railway Station. But we will first visit the Bukit Timah Truss Bridge. The Bukit Timah Truss Bridge is a former railway bridge going over Bukit Timah Road. But now it has changed its function to become a spot for taking photo, running, jogging, etc. So gorgeous this Bukit Timah Truss Bridge, which is spanned 60 meters. Let's go to the iconic Bukit Timah Railway Station after being restored, retaining its original platform and tracks. Bukit Timah Railway Station is a small colonial-era station, on the old Singapore-Malaysia line, which is now along Urban Trail. Here is the start of the station platform, and here is the iconic station signboard. Bukit Timah Railway Station was a former railway station and crossing loop in Bukit Timah, Singapore. And this is token exchange pole, which have been kept and make the station seem more authentic. This station was built in 1932, closed on July 2011, and was gazetted as a conserved building previously on May 2011. On July 2022, after 2 years of restoration work, the station officially reopened to the public as a recreational pavement. And this set of rooms were the offices. And this is the waiting room. Ticketing counter in the waiting room. And there are maps of Singapore from 1960s on the opposite side in this waiting room. At the other end of this building was the signaling room. We can still see the levers used to control the tracks. And there is another signboard at the end of this platform. And there is another token exchange pole too. Let's see that yellow service wagon. Wow, there are controls on this yellow service wagon. It is really a nice touch to this railway station. Yes, finally we get a nice view of the station from this side of the tracks. Herbs and spice garden, and the plants here are commonly used in daily cooking. This is the former staff living quarters, and now become a new hidden cozy cafe, called 1932 Story Cafe. This building has carefully conserved with both indoor and outdoor seats available with antique furniture, which transport diners back to early 1900s. The menu here offers local and fusion fare, and this is also a halal-friendly dining spot. There is another garden here, called Kampung Garden, just next to the staff living quarters. Inside the decor of 1932 Story Cafe is very early 1900s, and there is railways memorabilia on display like these tickets framed up on the wall. turn to the entrance where there is a signage of railway corridor. This new sheltered, the yard, serves as a rest area and gathering point with public restroom that simulate rustic toilets found in the old days. The yard also features an educational display that serves visitors the history of the railway. To come here you can access it from King Albert Park MRT, Exit A. And that is all for today.
Thanks for watching.